Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm showing off the latest from Olight, and this is the Perun Mini. It follows the signature body textures that the original Perun has, which gives a really tight grip, and it's powered by an IMR 16340 rechargeable lithium battery. This multifunctional everyday carry tool provides a maximum output of 1000 lumens. You can use it as a headlamp via the optional headband, which is currently only 99 pence on the 23rd of June 2020, or when you attach it to clothes, rucksacks, backpacks or hats via the Velcro duty patch. This amazing compact and powerful light can be rotated 60 degrees for the desired angle, which gives maximum convenience and bringing brightness to your life and work anywhere and any time. It is best to keep the Velcro away from any knitted fabrics, as it does tend to pull, as any Velcro would. This torch weighs in only 52 grams and, as I said, gives an amazing 1000 lumen discharge. The clip makes it really simple to clip onto your jeans or to your bag. There's also a magnetic tail cap which you can use as a work light, perhaps lighting up the bay of an engine, a wheel arch, anywhere where you think you might need to use a torch. It's got that amazing little magnetic tail cap, as I say, which just lets you have hands-free operation. The maximum runtime on this torch is 4.5 days. The beam throw, the length that the light will shine, is around 100 meters or up to 100 meters. It's waterproof to IPX8 and it's drop tested to 1.5 meters. You can also use the Perun Mini with the original Perun headband or the H1R headband, but I do recommend removing the clip for this. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee with Olight, and additionally a 5-year warranty, and of course free shipping as well. At the time of the video, the torch comes in either black or orange. I've got this torch in the nifty orange, which I think is quite handy. It's a limited edition colour, and it'll be great if I drop it on the forest floor when I'm out camping, something like that. I'm going to easily find it. If you're watching this video anytime up to the 23rd of June 2020, head on over to their website. They've got one of their amazing flash sales on, 40% off. So you're saving loads of money. You're saving what, 18, 19 pounds on the black one there. Definitely worth doing. Go check out Olight. They have a fantastic range of torches, and of course this lovely little Perun Mini is going to be, I think, one of my new favourites, and it's possibly going to replace my everyday carry Olight mini torch that I have, as this one has a bit more grunt to it. So thanks to Olight, as always, for sending me out a torch. Any questions, please pop them in the comments section below. I'll happily answer them, and until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves.